Hi, so today I'm gonna make papaya salad and I'm gonna show you how I made it and all the ingredients that I use. So the ingredients that I use today, and you can alternate from papaya to green beans or the cucumber. Let's start. Green papaya, tomato, garlic, lime, chilies. Today I have dry chilies, so you can use fresh chili too. And fish sauce, padak, which is fermented fish, shrimp paste, and sugar. Okay, let's chop papaya now. And there are two ways to do. And first way is use the knife and chop like this, and just shred it this way. And many people prefer this way. And the other way, you have the shredder and you can shred it like this. So it doesn't matter which way you prefer. Okay. Okay, so the papaya is already chopped, ready to go. So let's put things together. Okay. So first thing, you put chili. I'm gonna put two on mine. If you don't like too hot, then just one. Just adjust to whatever you take, your taste. And a piece of garlic. That's all I need for now. And sugar. I will use about teaspoon. And shrimp paste. And again, shrimp paste is probably just like a little bit, half a teaspoon. Yeah. In. Now we're gonna pile everything together for now. Okay. All right. Since they are mess up, you stop it there. Egg and papaya. So first thing I'll put my tomato in. This is, I like a lot of tomato, but that should be good for now. And add some limes, squeeze it in. You don't want to put too much at once, so after you taste it, if it's not enough, then you can add more. And now I put fermented fish, padak, that's what we call. Please give it a shake a little bit. I put about a tablespoon. And fish sauce. This is the brand I use. About 2 tablespoons on this one. Of course, after you taste, if it's not enough, you can add it on, but you don't want to put too much at once. So now I'm gonna mess this up again before I put papaya until they all mix up. Just be careful, and this time you don't want it to spread to yourself because there's a lot of juice here. Okay, now we're ready to put papaya in. So this is enough for a couple people. Okay, and we'll mix them all up. When they all mix them well, then we can taste it. Very good. All done. And so here I have some lettuce and cabbage. So you give it, and that's all we do. Enjoy. So let's see. There you go. Enjoy your papaya salad. So here we have it, the papaya salad, and I hope you like it and enjoy it. And there's a note want to mention to you is garlic is optional. If you don't like it, garlic, because many people don't like garlic, and you can just opt it out. And the tomato is the best tomato that I found out that it's a cherry tomato, the small one is the best for papaya salad. But today I don't have those kinds, so I use the blooming. It works, but the other kind is better. So that's it.